On the board, we'll be differentiating y to the respect of x, having y equal to 4x raised to the power of 3 minus 12x raised to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 12. Find the y dx. I want us to differentiate this term by term using the power method. We'll differentiate this term by term using the power method. First of all, we'll take the first term, we say dy dx, which is equal to, this is plus 4x raised to the power of 3. And now listen, in order to do this using the power method, we use the power, look at the power there, to multiply the coefficient. Using the power to multiply the coefficient. The coefficient is plus 4. And after that, subtract 1 from the power. You will do two things. After using the power to multiply the coefficient, you subtract 1 from the power. Now, 3 times 4 will give us 12x. You have 3 there as a power. Subtract 1 from the 3, which will give us plus 12x raised to the power of 2. That's the answer for the first term. Now the second term, which is dy dx, will give us, this is minus 12x raised to the power of 2. The same thing we did the first part, that's what we also do here. We use 2 to multiply minus 12. 2 times minus 12 will give us minus 24x. The 2 there, subtract 1 from it, take away 1 from it. So it now become minus 24x raised to the power of what? 1. But the reason I will not put that 1 there, I will not write it because the x there represents 1. The variable there, x, means 1. So that's when you have this as the answer. Now the next one is, we also have plus 3x. The plus 3x here, I told you that the variable which is the x that represents 1. Okay, let's put the 1 there. We better understand it. Now you use the 1 now to multiply the plus 3. So 1 times plus 3 will give us plus 3x. Remember, I told you always subtract 1 from the power. So it will be 1 minus 1, which will give us plus 3x raised to the power of 0. Now you want, according to the law of indices, whenever a number or an alphabet is raised to the power of 0, any factor raised to the power of 0 is 1, according to the law of indices. So here we have plus 3 times 0 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 0 is 1. So to give us plus 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Let me sit it down. Now what's the next one there? We need to work on the plus 12. dy dx, which is plus 12. Now if you watch that, this plus 12 is a constant. It's a constant. The derivative of any constant is 0. This is equal to 0. Why? Know that the derivative of any constant is what? Is 0. It doesn't have a variable, so it's a constant. So the derivative of any constant is 0. Now after we've done this using the terms and the power method, now we're going to list out these answers you have here now. We'll list them out. We will not include 0 because 0 will disappear. 0 means nothing. Now the first one there, we said that the y dx is equals to, we have a 12x squared, was to become an invisible plus, and we'll have a minus 24x plus 3.